So it was just really important for us to both support that brand or support that logo and have that logo support us, because there is a demand in the Australian markets for Australian designed and manufactured machines. Over the past 40 years, we've obviously been manufacturing our own equipment, and for the past 20 or so years, we've been importing equipment. So leaning into or endorsing or incorporating the Australian-made logo as part of our capital machinery build was just really important for us to recognise that we're aware of Australian customer expectations, the demands of the market, and being one of the last manufacturers in Australia for our type of equipment. Part of our business portfolio includes imported machines, and there is a need for that, obviously with the wealth of knowledge, particularly from Irish manufacturers and coming from Europe as well. But the niche markets that we step into and the diversity and the complex natures that some of our customers come to us, we wanted to make sure that there is an Australian-made option supported by the Australian-made logos within Australia. Manufacturing locally or direct from factory option is extremely beneficial for our customers because of the options that we can offer, being able to offer bespoke fabrication or assembly of machines, providing options for standard units compared to straight off the factory floor standard options that are imported in from the likes of Europe, Ireland, overseas. That just gives us more options or better diversification for the customers based on what they need as well. So, and again, we all know environmental factors can vary from Darwin all the way down to Hobart, Tasmania, and we cover all options and different builds to suit customers within the NT all the way down to Tasmania as well. So, you know, one of the big benefits obviously is that specification to the machines or offering them options to match what they need and match the environments that they operate in. As well as Australian manufacturing, but more specifically on that Australian-made logo, it's a well-recognised, well-trusted logo. Precisionscreen's proud to have it as part of our machine build. We're excited when Australian-made obviously shares some of our information and machine updates as well. I guess like all Australian companies who operate under this logo and brand, it's good to know like we are, you know, a big country, but we are an island, and it's good to be self-sufficient. It's good to recognise that we have these types of organisations supporting local manufacturing, all local businesses, to make sure that we continue to grow and prosper as a country as well.